Hey viewers, what's up? Welcome to my channel Sanbharti Digital. Coming again with a super exciting and useful tutorial stuff for you. And this time I'm going to demonstrate one of the most useful and worth tool of Facebook. And that is Facebook Post Test. Yes friends, it is Facebook Post Test. I think many of you have not heard about the Facebook Post Test, but trust me, it is one of the most useful. If you're a content creator, then you must use that tool for your content. If you genuinely believe to take care about your audience, then this video is only and only for you. Do watch this video till the last, and if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, guys, so before moving further, I would like to share one thing that I have noticed in so many cases that whether if any somebody is a social media content creator or any ordinary user, what people are doing is people are simply keep posting the content on social media and then never look back, which is one of the most unprofessional thing. Seriously, if you are genuinely a good content creator, then you should also look back at your all past content and you should take a look on the analytics and performance metrics. You should take care whether all your past posts performed well or not. What is the engagement ratio? What is the viewership on your content? This everything matters a lot for any of the good content creator. Only keep posting the content is not enough at all, and that should not be your objective also, right? You should also take care about all your past posts, because based on that you will get the idea about the new strategy. You can design something new, you can plan out something new based on the past performance. So that was the point number one, that you should take care about the past performance of your content. And the second thing is, now I'm going to give you one solution in today's video. That suppose if you're a content creator and if you're having the multiple content, so sometimes it simply makes you confused that which one is a good one for your audience, for your niche. So in that case, what you will do, that you will simply if you suppose if you're having a four content, and if you are not sure that which one is good for your audience, so you will simply post all those four content on your page, right? So here the Facebook post test will help you out to choose that which one is the best one and which one is going to be performed well compared to the others. Now you think that how it is going to be considered that this one is good or that one is good. So that is based on the certain experiments which is done by the Facebook itself. You don't need to worry about that, right? So first of all, let me give you a brief about the Facebook post test, what it is actually. So it is nothing but a kind of a test where you can find out the best performer content. Yeah. Suppose if you are having a 3 to 4 content, 3 to 4 images, suppose, let me tell you that, 3 to 4 images. So if you are getting confused that which one is a good one and which one should you post, so this tool will help you out to choose the best one. Now the thing is, from the technical point of view, that how this Facebook is going to be consider or decide that which one is the best one. So the thing is, your content, suppose you are having a 3 to 4 samples of images, you need to upload all 3 to 4 samples on this tool, and it will simply publish on a temporary basis to the portion of your audience, not the full-fledged published. Just suppose if you are having a 10,000 audience, 10,000 followers, so it is not going to be display on the feed of all 10,000 viewers or followers. It will simply pick the few portion of the audience to display this content. It's like a sampling one. Done? Is it clear? So it is nothing but a kind of experiment, and here you can add a maximum 4 post maximum, and out of this 4 posts, the best winning post will be automatically published on your page after the 24 hours of duration. So it means after the experiments of 24 hours, the winning post will be declared, it will be decided, and that winning post will be automatically published on your page. So you don't need to worry among them that which one is the best one. Facebook will choose for you on behalf of you that which post is going to be performed well, right? So this is all about the Facebook post test, and I'm sure it is one of the best one. If you're a content creator, you can simply publish the best version of your work. See, this is the title of this Facebook post test. you can simply publish the best version of your work. So you don't need to worry that which version is the best one. Facebook will help you. So now, before wasting the more time, directly I'm going to switch to the live demonstration of Facebook post test, and I will show you how you can exactly use this tool and how you can find out the best version of your work. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. So first you need to go into your Facebook account. You just need to log into your Facebook account and just go to the home feed, right? Go to your home feed page of your Facebook. Now you can see, I'm sure you are very much aware about all this layout of Facebook. If you are the user of Facebook, you can see lots of option at the left side. Now see, directly we will focus on the Create Studio. Keep your eyes on it, Creator Studio, right? If you're not finding out the top, you simply click on the See More and you will find somewhere over here. There are so many options are available, right? In short, you just need to click on the Creator Studio that you need to find out. So I'm going to click on it. Now, Creator Studio is the best place. It's like a heaven for all the content creator. There are so many things inside. Today, I'm not going to waste the time to explain all of them because this video is not about that. Today, directly we will focus on the Facebook post test. So, I'm going to focus on that specific only. So, here at the left side, you can see a green button that's Create New. Just click on it. And again, it will ask you that what you want to create exactly. So, as you can clearly see, there are so many options are there. And today I am going to choose this Create Post Test, right? Otherwise there are so many options out there: go live, multiple videos, upload videos, stories, and create the ordinary posts and lots of things. So we will directly see on this what how it is going to be work. Create Post Test, just click on it. Now after click on that, it will ask you to choose a page. Suppose if you are the admin of multiple pages, so it will simply first ask you that on which page you want to create this test. So obviously as of now I am having only one page, so I am going to choose that one. Now here it will ask you to upload something. What do you want to upload exactly? If you're a content creator, definitely you are having a different types of content. You should have videos, you should have I mean images, lots of things. So here you can see it, four types of content you can upload, four types of post, content type: video, image, link, and text, right? Link means if you want to post any of the hyperlink, text, ordinary text post. So I'm going to choose the image. So first of all, the most important thing is what you want to exactly post, means your content type. Okay, it's not compulsory that you have to upload all the same kind of content, but try to upload the same kind of content like 2 images, 3 images, or 4 images, because this experiment will work best on a similar kind of content type. So first I'm going to choose the image, then it will ask you to upload. Okay, so I'm going to my company directory and I will choose any of the image, and now click on the new button. Obviously minimum 2 is compulsory because this is the experiment, a comparison between the two or more than two posts. So only one is not enough. It is not technically a post experiment. So minimum 2 is compulsory and maximum it will allow you to upload the 4 posts. So one more image, and this one I'm going to choose something new, something different. Okay, now see here, title, text, everything, URL, you need to fill this. As of now I'm going to simply demonstrate for you, so I'm not going to put anything inside, but whenever you genuinely you want to do this test, it is compulsory to add some text over here, right? Do not forget to add text. Only posting the image is not a good way. So you always need to take care that you should have a description, titles, everything perfect. Now here you can see default. Which one is the default post you want to do, you want to set? So I'm going to choose the first one, right? It is by default set, so let me keep as it is. You can also change it if you want. So I'm going to check the first one. You can also delete if by mistake if you uploaded the wrong image. Here new option is also available. As I said, maximum 4 posts you can add over here for the experiment purpose, right? Now after doing this, what you have to do is you just need to publish it. As you can see over here at the bottom right side, publish test. You can also schedule test or save as a draft. Suppose as of now you don't want to run this test, you can save as a draft, and later on you can run it. And publish test, it will immediately publish your test. So I'm going to hit on it. Right now here, if you want to add the description of your test, give any of the name. So suppose demo test. Description, you can write anything. And here's a key metric: comments, shares, reaction, people reach, link clicks. Means on what criteria you want to perform this test. What do you want to check exactly? Right? Whether you want to check reaction of the people, reaching of people, shares, comments, what? It means in a simplified language, let me tell you, suppose I have posted this two images. Okay. Now I want to check that which one out of this two, which one is going to reach to the maximum number of people. Means a probability, maximum probability. I want to find out that out of this two, which one is going to reach at the maximum people. So this is the key metric, means a criteria of your test. So I'm going to choose people reached. You can choose the another also as per your objective. You can choose the comment, share, reaction, anything. Right? Link clicks. If you have posted the link, then and then you can choose over choose this. Otherwise, you can choose any one out of this four. So as of now, I'm going to check people reached. Right? I want to find out that which post is going to reach or having a probability to reach to the maximum number of people. Now, what's your test duration? From 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, and 24 hours. I recommend you to go for the 24 hours max, because then actually there are so many factors are working. You can't say exactly whether 24 hours is suitable or 3 hours is suitable. That depends on the how many followers you are having. But I'm having a recommendation to you that you should choose 24 hours. So within 24 hours, it will exactly decide with the full of accuracy that which post is going to perform well. And out of this two, only that winning post will be automatically posted on your page, published on your page. So I'm going to choose 24 hours. Okay, next. And finally, it's a review. You can review. If you find out something wrong, you can go back and change. Otherwise, if everything is okay, click on the publish test. And finally, we are creating your test, right? Just wait for it. It will take a few seconds. And finally, it's done. Your post test successfully created. That's all. Just closes. So as you can see, our demo test is live now. It means the test has been successfully started, and it's still having the 23 hours and 58 minutes left to conclude to this test, right? And if you want to click over here, you can see all the things whatever you have set during this test creation. This is the A and this is the B. As of now, it says that B is the winning post, but obviously this result is not accurate, because how many number of people reached? 0, 0, 0. So it just have started. So don't open it right now. It will take some time to find out, to conclude that which post is the winning post, right? So don't consider this one, because we just have created before the 2 minutes ago. So it is a wrong one. Wait for at least 10 to 12 hours to check the perfect one. And actually we have set the 24 hours time for this test. So after 24 hours, the winning post will be automatically published on your page. So guys, this is the Facebook post test. I'm damn sure it is one of the most useful one for you and for your business page. And if you're a content creator, then this is like a jackpot for you. It is one of the best one. I have tried it so many times and it really works fine, right? So hope you like this video, and if you're having any query, if you're having any doubt, you can anytime you can simply put a comment on my video, and you can send an email to me also. And thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this will be helpful for you. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it right now, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.